Hello, I'm Shabby and I'm the operations manager for Devour London, coming to you live from a laundry room in lockdown. Boom! Now you've probably heard that we have a brand new e-cookbook coming out from Devour Tours because, hey, we figure if you can't visit our beautiful cities right now, you can at least try and cook our beloved recipes from our cities at home, which is awesome. Now, my favourite from the London section is the incredibly comforting toad in the hole. Now, fear not. I know that the Brits have a reputation for making do with what we have, but historically, there is no evidence we ever used toads in this dish. I mean, actually, it was a way of using up meat and making sure it goes a little bit further. But nowadays, if you order toad in the hole with a little bit of buttered mash, a little bit of gravy, it's going to be sausage cooked in a Yorkshire pudding style batter, and it's delicious. And these sausages essentially have their little tiny heads poking out of it like toads. Hence, toad in the hole. It's wonderful. So if you're looking for something super comforting to make in these slightly trying times, it's very, very simple and it's very, very delicious. And I hope you have fun making it. I'd love to see photos of any dishes that you guys try. So if you are getting this cookbook, boom, you will find the link just below. Holla! Be safe, be good, don't do anything I wouldn't do.